Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
I'm want to call and talk of the King there.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy out there to get up here with the same Raga.
Well, the boy have you and the girl up here with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Haganiering. Haganiering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Don't you know how rich feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check. Wagwan people, big up everybody all about the place and up so wrong so down. So today our date of December. What are today's date? Today's date? Today our date, President? The 12th? Okay, the 12th. The 12th of December. Oh, it got 13 days to Christmas. Yeah, I look forward to that. What I get for the Christmas, yeah? What us are getting for the Christmas? Who knows how the Christmas look nice? Who knows how the Christmas look nice? Like how Britney Christmas did look nice when she just meet Mark. That I want to know. On the Christmas nice, like when Britney Christmas did nice after she meet Mark. That I want to know. Anyway, big up on the... Well, I tell the people from what they are looking thing. Who said Tuesday the 13th? Oh, Carol, you're in London, so it's already Tuesday there. Okay, so I wonder what... I wonder if Carol did I lose already and thing and whatever. But, of course, London is 5 hours ahead. Good night, Paulette Robbins. How you doing, darling? London is 5 hours ahead, so they're already in Tuesday, you know. Yeah, boy. Nice wife, big up yourself, large up. Why people a little thing happen what day. Well, not a little thing, a big thing happen. I don't know, DJ I done here and thing, and you know, him and his wife and thing, you know, they lost their son. They lost their 9-year-old son, you know. And you know, I mean, how me I get it is, you know, him did, you know, sick and thing. Have a little, I think probably either some cancer thing or some brain thing or whatever. But he was sick. And we just want to say condolences to Idoni and his wife and thing and what them I go through. And, you know, we just can't imagine, you know, well, you know, parents who lose their children are rough something like that, you know. Rough something that, as we all know. But do we understand it also is that the son was up here in America, in Florida, you know? And the mother and the father, Idoni and his wife, were, you know, in Jamaica. And apparently while the son was sick and being treated and things like that, naturally, I understood the way it was relayed to me, you know, wanted to come and see his son, you know, and apparently wasn't afforded the opportunity to do so because of that United States consulate in Jamaica had rescinded his visa. And apparently they made a case for that, and them still never gave him. And then now somebody said to me, but so why him wife couldn't go? Why the little boy mother couldn't go? And apparently she wasn't allowed to go either. And I was explaining to the person that, to the best of my knowledge, I don't know what's the justification behind it, and I don't know what's the logic behind it. But apparently when the United States State Department, well, embassies are run under the U.S. State Department. Embassies and consulates are run under the United States State Department. But so apparently when they rescind a visa from somebody, they rescind it from all of the immediate relatives of the person too, you know. I remember when a well-known Jamaican, a very well-known Jamaican, well-known and considered like upper class family type. So I remember one time him and him family, famously, was, them book them this, book them that, and they're going on a family vacation. And when them reach airport, them tell them so them couldn't travel. Needless to say, it was an embarrassment for the gentleman and his entire family. Yeah, it's when them reach airport, them say you can't travel, and it's when them reach airport, them here say the family members them couldn't travel either or whatever. No. So, I'm not going to belabor this for obvious reason, but so this mother and father, who clearly had the resources to be able to go and see their son. And while the son was sick and passing, and I'm sure he would have loved his mother and father to be there, given that he knows that they're about, and they made an appeal to go see the son, from what I heard, allegedly, some hear it. And I hear said, the U.S. consulate put on them foot and said them not making them go. To be clear, Idonia's visa was rescinded before, as is the case of several other entertainers for different reasons. And the rescinding of a visa is a punitive measure, is a punishment for conduct that the United States deem unacceptable. And, it's a regular thing the U.S. do, right? So this is a general thing them do. If you breach their, standards of behavior that they want you to maintain in order to obtain entry into the United States as a visitor, they will rescind your visa and will not be giving you any. And there are other ways in which you can be barred for either 3 years or 10 years and so forth and things like that. But I was just thinking about it, and I guess in retrospect, with the passing of the little boy and thing, it becomes graphically clear, that how harsh it is, So I don't know if the U.S. consulate or the decision makers therein, I wonder if them look upon it now and say, oh God, look at the little boy did that pass through, so we should at least make all the mother go. Because the mother no do nothing. She married to the DJ, who them take with the DJ visa because so and so and so. And them make the mother go either, And now, again, I saw me getting, and then both of them had to sit there in Jamaica and hearing that their 9-year-old child was dying and they could not be there. And unfortunately, the whole saga, evolved to the passing of the child. Boy, that must rough for them, man. Boy, that must have been just so heart-wrenching. You're there at Jamaica, this one, you pick me, I go through it and thing, and you want dead beside your child and thing and what. Boy, I can't even imagine when them go through, I can't even imagine when them go through. And for whatever it's worth, I would just like to publicly suggest to I'm just a singular voice here, and I'm one without. When I speak on these matters, as the case with many Jamaicans, we speak and what we say is unlikely to have any impact on this type of international issue, but sometimes you never know. Sometimes you never know. Probably that one time you spoke may be a contribution into an eventual crescendo to a point where something can be done. But if something like this is happening again, and you have parents saying that their child is sick and the child is dying and they want to go visit them, I would like to suggest that even the parent who the only reason why the wife did not get, well, I'm assuming, I'm not an authority on this, I don't know their cases or anything like that, so I'm just assuming, as was done before, the reason why the wife did not get the visa was because the husband's visa was rescinded. So why them should I make sure go, man. Them should I make sure go, Them should I make sure go, Them should I make sure go, and aye boy. I don't your condolences, to you and all bereaved and your wife and all afflicted with this great tragedy. Condolences and strength and protection, and grieve. Grieve as you need to, and eventually build up again. It will never be the same. Many of us understand that it will never be the same. You don't totally heal from these type of things, but you can heal, to a certain degree and things. So you must be in a space now where the hurt is raw, the pain is real and raw. You're still there, and and it's okay. Just grieve, and one day you will rise into a better state, All right. In the meantime, people, we could just go and give thanks now for the breath that we have here and thing, because one thing is for sure, we all come into this and we all going to have to leave, no exception. So we should just remind ourselves that we need to be thankful for the air we breathe, thankful for health and strength, thankful for the people who really do care about us. Be thankful for the people who are there for you. Be thankful for the simple blessings. Simple blessings, be thankful for them. Be thankful for toilet paper. Be thankful for water. Right? Be thankful when you say your sheet may clean. Be thankful say you have soap can wash your clothes. Be thankful you can scratch your back. Be thankful say you have a pillow. Simple thing. Be thankful say people smile with you. Right? Just be thankful for everything. All right, well, they are juggling up. 876-676-4996. That's the number. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. I want to thank the people who roll out for the for the party and the Ragashanti TV members only party. On Saturday, we had fun. We had fun. Do remember, if you're TamFam Platinum or TamFam Diamond, you can, you can watch the party. The recording, as many of you know, the recording was recorded on the shared screen, which was the mixer. But when people spoke, you saw them anyway in the top right-hand corner. You saw them in their Zoom window. It would be nice if the shared screen can be the one with the gallery with everybody in it. But I don't know if it, for those of you who understand what I'm saying, I don't know if it can work that way. I can't remember, we have to share like a screen where the music I come over in a Zoom phone and hear it. So, Prezi, is there a way in a Zoom for share two screen at the same time? You can share two screen? Oh, okay. I'll try and figure. Because we're at an online party, right? So the music, we'd have to share either the mixer or Serato. But so the people we couldn't share with the gallery with the people. But there's a way to do it, right? All right, you're going to have to tell me so that the next time we deal with it and things. So we just want to big up the people who wear them birthday suit. Two ladies my birthday, wear Christmas outfit. Two ladies wore Christmas outfit. And thing, big up on yourself. Sweet Cheek was there too in the party. Sweet Cheek, big up yourself. We know what go on with you, Don't say another word. And things. So big up all who in the party and sitting, and it was fun. Play a little music and thing. The next one, DJ Chris Cross is slated to be there. We're going to figure it out. President, there's a way to have a Zoom meeting and make Cross play from Boston, don't it? And everybody, you're going to have to tell me, okay? We'll figure it out for the next one, all right? So that is that. All right, people, calling about anything you want, calling about. No, so again, just big up on yourself for all who come to the party. All people who are members of Ragashanti TV over YouTube and thing. Big up on yourself for the support and thing and whatever, and you know. And thanks for the come to the party with the right attitude. So it was fun, you know. We love the look of camaraderie and the drama and the talking and the this and that and the music and everything, you know. It was good. I like it. You know, it's evolving into a thing. Okay? Okay, 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Calling boy anything you know, calling boy right, you know. And think calling about anything you know, calling about. And sitting, I make we hear what go on. All right? 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Prezi. Looking at the in the chat. Tambourine Welsh have two different accounts in the chat. Don't look. No two different picture that you see. For the same name. You see it? Del in the chat, man. Tambourine Welsh. If you scroll, no two different pictures you have in there. And that one I look at, you know. She up to something, man. She up to something. Why she have two accounts, two somebody? You soon she share chat to herself in there with the two of them. I say, you know, when people are going to get mad, you know, and them not too writing. If you call from the United States or, oh, she says she's on YouTube and Facebook. So it's two different accounts. Oh, okay. You have to watch them things in the present because sometimes the people them are mad around you, you know. Sometimes the people them might lose them head around you. You have to watch yourself, you know. You have to be aware because you have to know the mad people them because they may come at you certain area. Nakita, darling, I see you. Big up yourself. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. People, when I tell you, I am really busy right now because I have to be doing some work, some writing and thing, and I have no life right now, no life. And it's going to be like this, I think, up until Thursday. Yeah, Thursday night, late. So I'm just hanging in there, just putting in the work and trying to get this done and that done and this done and that done and whatever, you know? Boy, so tired upon me, you know? I want to tell you, you know, we almost done, we come over tonight. I said, what on, I'll forget, you know, the way I just immerse in the work and I type. And through my type slow, you know, I'm a pot typer, you know, I can't type fast like them people, eh? And sitting, so I'm a pot typer and whatever. So I do the work slow. So it take me a longer time. I'm writing a 30-page paper and I just finished a 20-page, well, a 10-pager. And now I start the 30-pager and it is dense writing, so it'll whack me up, man. But you know, we give thanks here, at least we have something for stress about, no? At least we have something for stress about. That's how the thing said. So we're going to look a break or soon forward.
It's the Bridge 99 FM.
How you deal with?
Gonna leave.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I read one report of one woman says she married one dopey. She married a ghost and she upset because her husband, which is a dopey, carry her go dinner and make she pay for everything. People may tell me, say, you see some people out there, you know, them dress up in a clothes and whatever, and them look clean and everything, but they're not right, you know. And you have to be careful, yo. You hear me say the woman do? The woman say she married a ghost. Right? And things are going good. But she said the ghost carry her go dinner. And the ghost make she have to pay for everything. So the ghost never take out the cash. The ghost never back out in credit card. Right? The ghost never pay. The ghost hard and must eat everything, but the ghost never back out him money and back out him credit card and pay for anything, right? And instead of this woman, I say, well, probably the ghost not exist and whatever. She, in the media report, she said she upset because the ghost make she have to pay for everything. Imagine you interact with all them people out there and you don't even know. All right, people, hear that one I know. When you hear about trans, right? Because the whole thing with trans has gotten like so, popular. There's a lot surrounding that. I leave it alone, because I'm going to be honest with you, I don't really. There's a lot about it that I don't understand. There's a lot about it when I understand. So the whole trans thing when I go on there, I leave it alone. But trans now is put in front of everything, and I don't know if you never hear about people who are transabled. Prezi. The call. Yeah, bring it in. I don't know if you hear about people who are transabled, but basically you have these people out there who are disabling themselves because a woman blind herself what they're present because she's always wanted to be blind. Like she threw a chemical in her eye and blind herself because she's always wanted to be blind. Give me the call. Hello?
Yeah, Rag.
Yeah, Wagwa.
Yeah, for the past 20 years, I don't think no human are born again. I think they want us being. Something where you see people are there now. And a human, them are just being.
Yo, you hear me? I said, you have some, you said this woman,
You know, you hear your thing?
Yeah.
I'm not even want you repeat it, honestly. Come here, I tell you, sir, for the past 20 years, some things when we see people, when they may attack, you ask me, when we work, you hang up quickly. I work at a university,
Oh, okay.
In the city, yeah. And when we look at the kids, when we see, and then behavior, and human, them are beings.
Why you say that? Why you say that? What am I going?
Well, me see all 7 of them depend 8. Like 8 of them, 4 boy, 4 girl.
Uh-huh.
And all of them depend them phone,
Yeah. Said that is a big issue out there in general now, all right, put it this way. A lot of men have problem with it mostly because a great number of men out there say the thing that annoy them nowadays is when them carry out a woman, she dep on her phone the whole time. I don't know if you ever you hear that complaint there, but it's mostly man complaints that woman do it. But also hear woman say, oh, the man fi carry them out and thing and all them do them just go up on them phone and near me food and all them something there. So look at something that going on this.
All right, back to the thing now with the DJ with the visa.
Yeah.
I'm going to hold up talk quick. My virgin is a police,
Yeah. Talk fast. You have a way where you talk and pause, Hello? 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 Carla? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Rag.
You cut off a while ago,
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, man. Sorry for that. So, police.
Yeah. Hello?
Come to you fresh.
No, we're not here. Something you keep on a cut out, you know. Hello? 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 Yo, me G, we not hear you here, sir. We not hear you at all. Hello? President, we not hear me here. I don't know how I go on this. Yeah, people, that phone thing I do, you know, is a big thing, you know. It's a big thing out there with people in terms of you're there someplace and you're there by your phone. I must admit, I have caught myself on occasion doing it too. Like you're someplace where you're not supposed to be on your phone, and I've you know, what do you my daughter insists out of the blue, I want to go to a restaurant. So, and you know, kids and whatever. So I say, all right, then when I leave school, so and so. Me carrying them. So I carry them go Olive Garden. And when we sit down and I position them and I take up my phone, you know. And I dip on the phone and thing and whatever. And then I catch myself. And I say, your daughter, well, KJ was there too, right? So she and her brother did it, right? Because, you know, Zion is in Florida. And they're up here with me in New York. So I catch myself, you know. And I just say, Dad, you spend time with the pitney them and thing and whatever you did. Put on your phone, man. I'm going to put on the phone and just interact with them and attack. And it was just so fruitful. It was just so, you know, the conversation with them and with them bring up and whatever. And, you know, I became engaged with them in dialogue and so forth and thing. And it was just so meaningful. And they loved it. And she was just like, this was so much fun. But it would not have been as much fun had I been on the phone and wait for the food come and then them just eat the food and whatever. So I am guilty of it too. I mean, not as bad as some people, but you know, I catch myself and, you know, and put it down and whatever. And it's just this nonchalant thing. It's just like once you sit down, you just take up the phone and you just start look on it, and it's like you're being entertained. And you have to be careful of it, you know, because when you're processing, when you're on your phone, you know, your brain at work, you know. When enough people don't know, you know, is that once your brain at work, that is tiring, you know. Right? You're applying, it is a certain amount of stress that your mind have to engage. When your mind have process all those data and whatever you look on, whatever Instagram or whatever, once you look on it, your mind have process it, you know, but it's actually taking a toll on your body in general, right? That is why you can't sit down. If you never sit on one place and do something simple and whatever, but when you're not done, you're tired and thing and whatever. Or if you never in a plane, sit down. You sit down for 2-3 hours in a plane, but when you come out, you're tired. Is that your mind really process everything where go on in the plane? You know, you're up in the air and the plane jerk and you watch the flight attendant and you whatever. So it's actually still tiring just sitting there. And we have to be careful of that, because with the phone, we not rest our brain. We not relax our brain and rest our brain when that happens. All right, President, bring in a call. Right? So, okay, here we go. Hello? Hello?
Yo, Rob.
Oh, yeah. Whenever I hear you, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, talk no man. Hello? President, I don't know how I go on, so, you know. Yeah, man, the phone thing, the man, me address, I said to the eye, them say, you know, yeah, it's a nice little way for pass the time and be entertained and thing with the internet and Facebook and Instagram and all these things and whatever, but we have to rest on the brain, because if the brain just go overdrive and take in information, wearing out, man, you find someone tired and lethargic and you can't concentrate on this and that and whatever because so much information just in our brain, right? And it's overwhelming. I have actually like measured it, just I watch myself like them have a look at thing what tell me how long you're there on the internet. Them have these app where can do it and watch it and thing and whatever, son. I'm just saying, but with the dating thing now, them a complain ladies and I say, we have a style when them carrying out and thing, I just beer phone on the depend. But what really I go on with that, it's like, and I'm inclined to think that if a woman go to that man and just dip on her phone, then probably she not into him. And insist with dip on her phone the whole time, then probably she not into him, Because, the phone is like a little distraction thing for not really talk to him or for not really engage him and all these things, engage in dialogue, of course, and sitting. So I'm inclined to think that that is the reason why some woman deliberate. Come here, woman talk that. Yeah. You know somebody at Jersey, she say a fear thing that. She say, oh, you make them carry out, go on a nice restaurant, man, and you just stay up on the phone the whole time. So I said, the man, them not complain about that. And she said, no, most of them not complain because them a look you. And you just give them a little attitude and thing, and you give them a nice little look and whatever. You just stay up on your phone and eat the food and whatever. So I know say some woman do it deliberately. When them a working man, them and thing, I want to take a thing off of them and all these things and I want so and so, Them just stay up on the phone and go around the man them way there. But a man, if you understand himself with that, you can't too. If that's what it is, that's what it is. If she pull that part, you just don't carry her go. Now again, when she have to sit down with phone and all them, something there. If you go somewhere else or don't go at all or whatever the case may be. Who left in the World Cup now? Argentina, Morocco, France, and who else again? Argentina, Morocco, France, and who else again? What the other team? Argentina, Morocco, France. What the other team? Jesus. Somebody soon post it. And again, would I like either Argentina, Argentina, or Croatia. More either Argentina or Morocco for win, And the only reason why I would want Argentina when I'm Messi, I'm a baller. You see me? Messi, I'm a baller. Right? I check for Messi I play for Barcelona and things. See? So Messi they over the French side, and thing, but still, Messi I'm a baller. I really like Argentina history and all them things that when them do with black people and whatever, but you don't know. Long time I pre Argentina from the days of Osvaldo Ardiles, them days, So Messi put decades in this and do a whole heap for football, so the man deserve a little World Cup if him can get it and thing. You see, France win the last World Cup. We don't want them come do back to back and whatever. Worse like us, some little issues there with them. What Jen say France I take it. Natural reason say Croatia go take it. France and Croatia, don't even bring none of the two teams them when me want here. Morocco want or either Argentina, one out of them two there, you see. Hello, good night.
Good night, Raga.
What go on?
I call from Jamaica, Senti.
Jamaica, Senti you call from?
Yeah.
What go on, boo-boo?
What go on?
They I listen to you the better one, you sound like you have crazy money and all these things.
No money no done here, Raga.
What you mean no money no done? You sound like you have your money, talk it out. You don't have your dirty money.
No.
You don't have your money?
No.
Then like say me I hear wrong then because you sound like you have your little money voice then, you know.
I told the rain a fall, I'm the outside.
Well, lad, if the rain a
So I
fall,
don't feel nice.
where are the outside? You in the
But
rain?
to talk to you.
You in
No,
the
I'm
rain?
stand up on one step on the shelter.
And that shelter once. So why you outside?
Kind of phone not picking up good inside.
The phone now pick up good inside. Oh, Zin. Which area you call from?
I call from Santa Cruz of Park Mountain.
Oh, Santa Cruz, Park Mountain and thing. Okay, so what go on?
Me there.
Okay, you just
But you don't remember who?
No.
I must say, beware the politician man there.
Oh, that go, what that?
I remember I said, I call the politician man. I saw the one Buchanan.
Oh, you did call for a long time.
A long time when you get Jamaica, man.
Oh, well, darling, me not go really remember that, so. You know, me not go just. Remember, say thousands upon thousands upon thousands of calls me get over.
Yes, no, I got, yes.
Exactly, so you really expect me to remember that they call, so. But don't call no name here. Don't call no name. All right.
No, I'm not calling no name.
Okay. So wait. What you and the politician still in our dealings?
No.
Oh, so how long now on the stop deal?
When I was 19 or 18.
What that?
One 19-year-old and one 18.
What you mean about 19 and 18? What's that?
Two sons, Raga.
Oh, one of your son are 19 and one 18.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, a film son them?
Yeah.
Okay, and him own them down?
Remember, I came to National Blood Bank of 4G.
Well, them carry go National Blood Bank or do what?
4G did what I DNA say.
For do the DNA, them they carry go up on the blood bank for you do DNA test for the two of them?
4G, yeah.
You did do DNA for the two son them?
One. The
What?
last one.
The last one. And what the DNA said?
He wasn't the biological father.
That he wasn't?
Uh-huh.
What? Our phone guy? You know, said this did I go somewhere, dude. No, my friend, I take time and grab me and say, let me see what this is going to go on. And just when it goes straight, he'll be able to call her back. Eh? Kevin, call her about the film. Tell him, call her about the film. Prezi, tell Kevin call her back for me, yeah? Eh? Me no hear you say? Him don't have the number? Oh. Darling, if you're still listening, call back here. Call back. Over Iran now. On the area going, because you know, in the Muslim country, them require the woman them for wear them hijab. Some more stricter than some. Some them say the only thing for sure for the woman are eye. And the only reason why them allow them for, not covered. The only thing on the woman that not supposed to be covered are her eyes, right? That is the strictest form of law, in terms, it's actually law, how women supposed to dress. And the only reason why them free up the eye them is because the woman have to see where she go, because the way them juggle everything, if them could have cover the eye to them, make the eye cover to by law. But anyway, I don't know the hijab and thing and whatever. It's the idea is that you must cover your hair and whatever. But it's a statement of control, obviously, and that, to contain women, which is a priority in those cultures, man can do so and so, but the woman them can do so and so, whatever. If you notice, even over a cutter there or whatever, if you notice, inside of the Arab country, them were strict that way there. I just the man them a celebrate. You notice the woman them a celebrate. Over here, the man and woman celebrate. When Morocco win and, Moroccan Arabs come out and them go Times Square where they are man and woman, thousands of man and woman are juggle together. But over there, one different something. So, this lady this young lady, a 23-year-old, she named Massey so and so whatever. Them a tell her say she keep on her hijab and so them have what them call morality police in Iran, right? And them just go around and make sure say, yeah, do what you're supposed to do. So there have been, a little bit of there's been some a simmering unrest amongst the women who have been demanding from Saudi Arabia come right up to Iran, You have these women over the years who have been demanding, increased rights, and them want to just come out from under what they consider to be oppression. Anyway, so they move to Shino and carry her, and go, when they mean, and go carry her and go lock her up and thing and whatever this and that, and whatever stress them put on her, she go drop down dead, and that just, make the people them unleash demonstration. I say, yo, them want the clerk them, right? So the clerk them are them run Iran, the Muslim clerk them. So it's a theocracy. That means it's a religious country. The government is a religious government, and them strict. And they had came to power, I think, in 1979. The whole thing with the Shah of Iran and whatever. So now they have all these young people now are demonstrate, and I say, them don't want Iran to be a theocracy anymore. Now, there have been several demonstrations over the years, and them Iran always put on them foot and thing and stamp it out and thing, and them not play when them a stamp out demonstrations and all them something. But people, may I tell you, that one here look different-ish, Me don't know what going on, but that one here look like a youth, them now stop because I must have 450 odd youth them kill already, mostly children, because of the young people them a push it, the young girls them a push it, It's like them just reach a point where them not care. Like them a say, yo, because apparently you have rules where them can't do certain things with them ear and not, or them have to cover them ear, obviously. So the woman them a take off the hijab and a bun the hijab, them and a cut off them ear and all kind of things and whatever. And then, the government have put on them foot and thing, and just imagine people, 400 odd young people dead already. Most young people, up to like 30s, because them are taking demonstration to them. And there have been quite a few of these over the years, and them always clamp down upon them. But me don't know that one they look like. I want to look like them now to let go it. So what do you know? Some of the morality police did rush this youth or whatever, and him defend himself and them claim say him stab one of them. Them hang that, kill that. Right? So remember, the morality police are kill them, Just because they must say, no, we want, don't, them no want the woman them for wear the hijab, and the woman them must say, stop telling about we have to cover up with head and all them something, they stop ruling and whatever. So when some people fight back now, it look like two police, they go there and them blame on brother feet and thing. So them carry out one big crane in one of the square them and thing and hang him off of the crane. Hang him, throw a rope around him neck and hang him like in a public square or whatever and thing. And I say, damn. Then that's so far them gone with it, That to me, clearly, it was designed to intimidate the protesters, them. But, like, if make them catch them free and say them are go dead. But, why? What the point me I make is, and then we do over here, I will complain about this, I will complain about that, and, we have our share of stress over here in America and Jamaica and whatever and thing and whatever. And in different ways, we have similar things happening here, but, at the end of the day, a lady can put on a top and step out on the road and, and nobody not trouble her and who ignore her, whatever, you understand. People can style them here and do them want, color them here and all them something there. And, sometimes, we forget to be thankful for them look simple pleasures there, because other places people are go through it and think. The government in a position right now over there, where them feel like, say, if them not put on them foot, them are going to lose control. So it's like them it's a sign of desperation as far as me concerned, for go carry the man out in the public square and kill him. Just one big long crane them put up on thing and just throw a rope on him neck. People, this is like dark ages type of thing, man. You know what I'm saying? That like, it's not like, modern times or whatever, I just sit down and I look at it and I say, John, say things rough over here, but give thanks, same way, though. You understand? But and then the people, them know, it's like them once I get vexed. Them want to intimidate them, but it's like the people, them once I get vexed, so I want to watch what go on in Iran. And people may tell you who are lead it, are young girls, like you have man who defend them too, whatever, because them know, young people, them know you're not a cleric something there, them know you're not an orthodox religious something there, them want some more freedom and thing. But right now the girls, the young girls, them, I take it to them, man, and I demonstrate and I make them know, say, yo, them a cut off them here and a fling with the hijab and thing and a war roof a war them now back a be something and go on, man. And thing, and young ladies, them when people just reach a point when them just say enough is enough. As I telling you before, people, you have some people out there, they them call themselves Transabled. And basically they're not disabled. They don't call themselves disabled, Now remember, people who have disability are referred to as being disabled. And the reason they're called disabled is from them disability. But these people now are calling themselves transabled, which is clearly a distinction from disabled. So transabled now is this identity by choice. So what these people are doing is giving themselves disability. These people are injuring themselves, like permanently injuring themselves, rendering themselves unable to use them legs. Them have to go in a wheelchair. Them can't walk, them have put themselves in a wheelchair because they want to be, wheelchair bound. This woman, she blind herself and did get help from somebody for blind herself through chemical in her eye because she has always wanted to be blind. And she says she's happy now that she's blind. People seriously, like I understand some people who don't know sadomasochism and sadomasochism and whatever. They enjoy pain, they enjoy look at hurt and them something there. Some people like to be whipped, some people like feeling a chain and all them sitting there, whatever. Some people like it a little bit, but not too much. Some people will take a look at candle wax burning, a look at slap on the butt and whatever. But don't go too far with them, they're not depend on something and whatever, right? But I must admit, as somebody who is fairly learned in these things in terms of in terms of psychotherapy or whatever, I am at a loss to explain what is going on with these people. I'm trying to generate like an hypothesis and say, all right, my best guess why they're like this is because, and I can't come up with anything. Why would you want to make, if you can't walk, why would you want to, by choice, injure your legs them and put yourself in a wheelchair for the rest of your life? Like, what go on there, so? if you can see, why would you find it attractive to blind yourself? To live the rest of your life as a blind person. Me know, I'm gonna get to me. I say now. Sometimes with some things, you like you don't agree with it, or you whatever. But you can't come up with a little explanation and say, well, I might think that but this is why them people do it. We can't see why them do it, or most of us we can't do that. Most of us we can, postulate, as to why this person is engaging in a particular conduct. We can make a guess, we can come up with, a little explanation that is, fairly credible and reasonable and things like that. But we can remark, I have met blind people who, them know why you're sorry for them, and them quite happy being blind or whatever, and them they would find it. I know blind people who find it a little offensive if you think so them and live them life regretting that they're blind, or them whole focus is not to be blind anymore. So their thing is like, no, I'm blind, and and I make the best of this world, and I don't want it to be sorry for me and things. But those are people who were blind not by choice. Not by choice. Okay? And so what I'm about to say is no statement against them. I'm just saying that to be able to see, it's an advantage. I think it's a very, 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 very good advantage. Because I don't want to come over like I'm being. But I make a statement against blind people. But just I said to be able to see is an advantage. If you have the capacity to see. Why would you, by choice, just give up that for the rest of your life? I don't. I used to date this lady, and her brother. She was from Spain, he was from Spain, Madrid. Her brother, Luis. I remember one time talking to him, and then in having discussions with him, he basically communicated that he might talk to me, and he might say, boy, you just have an outlook on the world where I really, really admire your understanding of the world. I really admire it, and your understanding of people, whatever. So I was like, okay. So I must say, I want to be like that. I want to be like that. I want to be like that. So I was like, okay. I mean, just be yourself. And we're like, no. Cut long story short, about 6 months after that, me and him attack, and him say, I'm going to India. So I was like, oh, cool. So him say, I'm going to India to suffer. And I was like, Luis, what? Him say, I'm going to India to suffer. I said, what do you mean? Him said, no, him said, people like you, your humility and your understanding of the world is because you suffer. So for me to get that, I have to suffer too. So I'm like, Luis, I don't think you get this thing, What do you mean? I mean, I say like, yeah, some people make the best of them suffering, and them interpret them suffering in a way where it empower them, and them use it in a way where them develop a perspective and an understanding of the world that can be good. I say some people it work out bad too. Some people get bitter and angry and make bad choices from them suffering. I say, and others they make the best of it and thing. But people don't go around and choose to suffer. Like no, I have to suffer. I have to suffer, and then I can get a similar perspective and an understanding of the world like you. But if I don't suffer, I won't get it. And the man did leave Madrid and go over India, go suffer. Now, we just a good example of that you have these people out there who will just welcome certain calamities on themselves for certain reason that, with all due respect, me ain't do it. So I tried to convince him out of it, but he never get it. Like, yeah, people suffer, but we never choose to suffer. And if we had the option to choose something where we not suffer, would I choose if we not suffer? So what you gonna choose to suffer for? Because you see we manage to get some good out of our suffering because we were forced to. You understand? We never choose that. Hello, good night.
Good night, Raga. Me a call.
What? With what?
There's somebody where blind themselves.
Yeah.
Or cripple themselves. They need to be checked out. Because nobody in their right mind not go do that. Just because they want to go on welfare or something like that.
No, it have nothing to do with welfare. Them just say them happy. It have nothing to do with welfare or any monetary gain. But even if it was monetary gain, like, would you, if you had the opportunity to lose the use of your legs and at the same time become a multi-millionaire, would you take that?
No, so I mean, I like the no leg business.
Right, that's what I'm saying. So, for the people we're talking about, it's not money, but even with money, it wouldn't be an incentive. Right? I know some people love money and probably that thing about it, but not me. I can't come up with any reason why them happy. Why? It don't make no sense to me.
I talked to a blind man a few months ago. You see, he has never seen the world.
Uh-huh.
He's a teacher.
Yeah.
And he has never seen the world. And him happy because him say he has never seen the world. So it not really affect him.
Right.
He said maybe if he did born could have seen now and he get blind, it would have more difficult for him.
Oh, right. So I'm just used to being blind. That is his reality, right? That is what blind people tell me. That is what blind people tell me. Them say, no, we don't see no and that. Every day we want to see this thing and whatever we want. I say, no, we just live with life and we'll be happy. We just happen to be blind. That is what most blind people tell me,
And that's him say.
You think say somebody who go blind themselves or whatever and then say them happy after. You think that there's some sort of mental disorder there going on?
Yeah. They're not so hot, man. They want to get some help.
But them say them happy, Let me see me find. Them say them happy when them do them something that to themselves, them. Me probably should have look feet another time, but Transabled woman who blinded herself. Let me see if I find it. Okay. Oh, here it is. Okay. Woman blinded herself with drain cleaner to fulfill her lifelong dream of being disabled. I should have been blind from birth. People can look it up. The article in a People magazine, and it again, woman claims she blinded herself with drain cleaner to fulfill her lifelong dream of being disabled. I should have been blind from birth. And then she says, I went blind on purpose, but I don't feel it was a choice. Joelle Shooping said of her decision to blind herself. You tell me now, Brittany. You tell me. She said, ever since she was a little girl, Joelle Shooping dreamed of being blind. The North Carolina resident was born perfectly healthy, but she became so obsessed with losing her sight that at age 21, she took matters into her own hands. Shooping claims that she had a psychologist. Then if you lock up this a psychologist here, you know. Shooping claims that she had a psychologist pour drain cleaner in her eyes, then waited to seek medical attention. Afterwards, she gradually lost her eyesight and is now almost completely blind, she said. I really feel this is the way I was supposed to be born, that I should have been blind from birth, the 30-year-old said. They say, Shooping has body integrity identity disorder. Backside, you know.
There's something wrong.
A rare condition causing able-bodied people to believe they are supposed to be disabled. She has long fantasized about being blind. So them have a label feed. It's called body integrity identity disorder. And it is a condition where able-bodied people believe they are supposed to be disabled. Backside, you know. Body in, and that's just a name them put on it, you know. So people steal us and them just come up with a body integrity identity disorder. So the integrity of your body, you know, they're not, you know, they're not satisfied with the integrity of their body, and it on an identity level, I think they're not comfortable with it. Backside, so what do you think they do with all this? A psychologist, you know, will help her Brittany?
No, lucky him, because him sick too.
Well, we don't know if it's a him, you know. It could be a him or a she.
I heard.
Yeah. No, but one thing with all of the state law, them up here when you're training in psychotherapy, them say, you must not cause physical harm, you know, to you. You know, if you have a client who you know is going to cause physical harm to themselves, you are obligated to report it. Most state laws up here require that. So I don't know this as psychologist say, get you with that one, yeah. And thing,
Reggae, me da listen some people one night time, if you them a talk, so them a say the reason why crime is so much in Jamaica because a ganja.
Ganja?
The boy take smoke ganja and then get high and kill people. So you agree or you disagree?
Totally disagree. Foolishness that. Foolishness. Here, don't believe them when they chat. So here, that is nonsense. Right? Most people who smoke weed, them just chill. Like you see this whole thing on Jamaica about weed, mad people, I make them go do crazy thing or whatever. It's this label where them degenerate against the rasta them feet, here. Even Alexander Bustamante did use that at part-time justification, you know, for send the police them for, and I quote, bring them being dead or alive, send them, you know, authorize the police and go kill the rasta them. And there's this whole notion about them smoke weed and get mad and what. Not no go so. Ganja no cause ganja no have no direct bearing upon crime. All right, put it this way. See, do you think cigarette have a direct bearing upon crime? All right. You know, it's a cigarette more dangerous than ganja?
Good is it?
No, me I tell you, cigarette more dangerous than ganja. Right? All right, do you know, say, the damage what alcohol do to you more dangerous than ganja?
Maybe.
No, me I tell you. But you know, hear nobody I say, Oh, then drink rum and drink Appleton. And then drink Appleton. And the Appleton make them a kill people. And the rain if you make them a kill people. You don't hear nobody. This whole stigma upon ganja is from long time Brittany when them have up a Rasta them, yeah, man. Because in Jamaica, Rasta was synonymous with ganja. You know, the dirty Rasta them are smoking dirty ganja. And that's what the music say. And you know what is funny? Most people who smoke weed in Jamaica, them are a Rasta now. So I think weed smoke all over the world and think weed is not a cause of violence. Now listen to them, yeah, foolishness them.
Because me ask my kids, they don't think so. And me I tell you, say, it's not impossible.
Yeah, say it's not impossible.
No.
Listen to me, Britt. Nothing no go so. Nothing don't go so. Yeah? That is a distraction from what really. You know, one of the main causes of crime and violence is poverty, you know. It's poverty, right? If most people in Jamaica did do better in their life and whatever, them wouldn't go start and do look at something where build up in this and build up in that and lead to that and whatever. In most societies across the world, where the people them do, you know, relatively well and whatever, the crime rate is low. The crime rate is low. See? So
ganja don't make people high, Raga?
Yeah, ganja make people high, but where that have, that there's no direct connection between that and there's no direct connection between that and crime rate.
Remember when me a young girl, you know, this guy, the young youth, them in the community, them start the smoking, so him started too.
Yeah.
And him start laugh. When he done, he go sit down and laugh by himself. And this old man, I think him some sweet sugar water to revive him.
For revive him?
Yeah, he start get crazy.
No,
he goes to laugh so.
Yeah, then if you're not used to the weed and thing, it can make you giggly, you know. Right? It can make you giggly, right? Oh yeah, President, I said me have one call you for take.
Yeah, man.
No, man, it can make you giggly, man. If you know, it can make you laugh, man. It can make you giggly. But no, it's not nothing to do with crime, yeah, man. I lie them at it. All right, cool.
Well, next time, yeah, man. The rest of them don't come cost me and go say me. I want me here.
I know, I want you here.
Just ask. All right.
All right, Brittany, cool.
Yeah,
Prezi.
Right.
Okay, yeah. We are going to give it a call. Give it a call, Prezi. Hello. Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Raga.
Uh-huh.
Good night.
Good night.
How you do?
You know what, I'm good. I am doing really, really well, and I'm very thankful for that. I am just so blessed lately, and I'm very, very thankful.
Yeah, give God thanks.
Yeah.
I'm going to call you. I'm kind of busy.
Eh?
Well, I'm going to call them. It's busy.
Wood is multi-talented?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what go on? You did busy with what? You going like where you can't busy with? Where you have to busy? Eh?
Me have to show and all these things, you know. Holiday are coming, me have to try to put.
You have to show?
Together. Yeah, me do sew into it, you know.
Oh, sew. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
I tell us, I don't really work at the nursing home again, so I have to find something to see.
For do, for bringing look of funds and all these things, though.
Mm-hmm. For me, I want to pass a day, them I say, in the vehicle you're going away, with the driver, a bun ganja, you know, for going away. How good
Walla pass what?
If you're going to one vehicle and them are smoke, you must come out because it cause the accident, they might not kill off the people. Especially when the driver, them are born ganja. You believe that?
Well, ganja can impair your judgment, you know, so your space judgment. So that is true. So yeah, if you're high, that can contribute to causing accident. And you have a lot of ganja smokers who believe, say, it not do nothing to them and affect them driving and thing when such is not the case. It does indeed affect. It may not affect some people who used to it, but it can affect a lot of people separate, you know. But ganja can impair your judgment of spatial properties of space, like turn yes and how fast me I go and whatever. It can make that convoluted. So ganja, in that sense, ganja can cause accident.
So look here, me ask you something, you see. Me buy roots and sell, you see. Me sell $2,000 for a quart pack.
Yeah.
And $5,500 for the last buckle. And I put little ganja in there. Do nothing?
No, what you say, you boil roots and sell, right?
Yeah.
And with the quart buckle and thing and whatever, and then the quart buckle you sell that for $2,000?
Yes.
And then which other one you sell for $500 now?
Flask buckle.
Oh, the flask, okay.
Mm-hmm.
And you say you put little ganja in there?
Sometimes. Some I say if you do nothing.
No, well, I don't know how much you put in it, you know, but listen to me. Ganja is put in drinks all over, in food and drinks all over the world, especially in Asia, in India, because India we get ganja from, you know. Right? It's not indigenous to Jamaica, right? India, the Indian people, them really bring over ganja and thing, you know. Even the term ganja is an Indian word, you know. It's an Indian word, right? And over there, ganja using all whole heap of food, all kind of sitting, all kind of drink and whatever. And listen, it's used for all kind of healing purposes, you know.
That me understand.
Whole heap of healing. But them use it them use it with textile, with cloth, them use it them use it with a whole heap of something.
I know, I say, Raga, a lot of people buy me roots and them say, good, you know, it help them, you know.
Ganja, I mean, I'm not an authority on it, so don't quote me on it. And for the record, you just tell me where you sell, so I just for legal purposes, the Bridge 99 FM and IrieJam Radio in no way is endorsing ganja in any product for consummation, right? So yeah, do your own. But what you were saying with ganja and whatever, you know, a long time Jamaicans have put look at ganja in a, you know, one time I used to get dog ganja seed in a ton camel and it said they make them get bad. Make the dog then get bad. Me don't know if that's true or whatever, but ganja, you know.
Me search through my herbs them. You know, me have the books them and me search through.
Yeah.
And find out what to put together and all these things to make the roots nice and straighten up your body and all that shit.
No, but
heal you from certain sickness and so forth.
Yeah. I'm not an authority on it, but I know that ganja is used for a whole heap of healing, this healing, that healing, this healing, that. So. Wait, when you make your roots, what you make it with? What you put in your roots?
Well, I give me a recipe, make the people them take a medicine and go make money off it.
No, what you mean take away something? I just ask you for the basic thing. Roots are something common in a Jamaica and nothing special. I just ask you what you put in that.
Only for something. Medina, strongback, saucy pearl, and nerve wish.
Medina, strongback, saucy pearl, and what?
Nerve wish, Tampan rock.
What? Tampan rock?
Yes.
One in Tampan rock?
Well, something that go kind of run like, and you have some thick leaf, them thick.
Tampan rock? So it's one bush near Tampan rock and you put that in your roots?
Yes.
So you put Medina, sarsaparilla and all them something?
A whole heap of little something, a whole heap of different something. You put in there.
Hold on. You sure them something that go in our roots?
Oh, yeah, talk about
the roots.
Anybody with boil roots can call in and
no, I know about sarsaparilla in it, but you put Medina in our roots. You put Medina in our roots.
Yes, man. Donkey weed, strongbuck.
I know about sarsaparilla and strong back, but donkey weed.
Banana navel.
Well, me know the banana stock. The banana stock.
Navel. The navel me use.
The banana navel. Which part of the banana call the navel now?
So down I bottom them and the banana don't shoot out and look something down I bottom them. There have been a little young one them in it.
Okay. So what you do now? When you do that, what you do?
Search me out and all this something. My roots bad man. So and all how all smarty west have all kind of sickness in them body by all my roots. Come back and tell me thanks, you know.
You're really multi-talented, you know?
Yes, come back and tell me thanks.
So tell me,
arthritis, diabetes, all kind of sickness, asthma. And if you're dumb, they can't get up and all and something, you know what I talk about.
What you mean if down they can't get, what you make man body stand up?
Come here, let's say if you live near the cow pen or the goat pen enough, you buy my roots, no car. Anything can happen.
Oh, anything can happen and things. So it good, them something they make body stand up down?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'll triplet too.
Okay. Me never hear about no search me out and them Medina and them something that put in a roots. Me know Medina make your body, me know Medina increase your libido and make you increase your sperm count and make you able to breed somebody. Right? But me never hear about them something that go in a roots.
When them are near the house, then they always give them it.
Give them what? Medina, okay. So what you say when I bush near Tambourine Rock?
Yes, man.
So what you do? You boil all of them?
Tambourine, sarsaparilla, Medina, Strongbox. Search me heart. Banana navel.
Yeah, banana navel. And then what?
Nerves wish. Chain root. All heap of them, man. Roots bad.
What you mean whole heap of them? But you just sound random with it though, like you don't have a set.
No, me can't give out everything, so Raga. Me don't know it go already, man.
Oh, okay, all right.
People snatch a little thing and
true, and thief your recipe and all this.
So you have to be careful, you know, man. I remember say, I have to eat a little food off of my thing, you know, and everybody start, when they load up too much, and everybody start right down and catch me because sitting them and go do this, do that.
No, but the thing with
everybody have to do a thing still, but, you know, my customers, them will support me.
Yo, but, you know, you have a thing, you know, why multi-talented? I mean, did you give the name, or you did say your name multi-talented? Or you did say your name multi-talented, no?
Yes.
No, but you just, you know, you do everything, man. You're just really flexible. You do everything. You know everything. And you're good at it. And you're good at it.
I tell you something what I do. I do smacking, embroidery. Mix mortar. Lay block. Tie steel.
Steel.
Box and cast wall. If my house a leak, me go up on the top, go fix it.
Well,
no one little shop, me no call nobody, me get me material and me put them together and me get me hammer and me nail.
Right.
And me plyboard and me little zinc and me done me little shop here. I have to turn up good and look on it.
Look on it and think because so you're carpenter too, you're mason and carpenter too.
Yeah, me tile my floor to me pieces tile them.
So you're mason, tiler, carpenter.
Tile them and me tile my place and when me done tile and my brother look on it and say, boy, may I tell you. I got Trenchtown me come from, come here now.
What?
The first school I go at Trenchtown Basic School.
Oh, okay.
I'm born at Kingston, Jubilee Hospital.
Yeah.
I live at town for long and left from town to Clarendon to Manchester. I go to 2 schools at Clarendon.
Oh, okay.
I go Mixup primary and I go Vertec. And I come to Manchester.
You go Mixup primary and Vertec. You go Mixup primary and Vertec.
I go Mixup primary and I go Lennon.
Lennon, okay. Are you going Veer
So
Tech too?
Veer Tech, yeah, I left Veer Tech in a first farm high school.
Oh.
I come here, I get pregnant. Right? When me did tell you they happen.
Right.
Yeah, one pick me, one son, and from that me.
No, so what
Yeah,
all of
that
that
teach
no
me
have
a
to do
lot
with
of
no
things.
what all of that have to do. So you come to learn all of them things when you go through all of that.
Me I go try them something. Them I tell them me look and learn. You know, me have one brother here where him do certain things and I watch him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean, have a spouse where do certain things and I watch him too.
Okay.
And me go to school and learn a lot of things. And my mother now teach me for sew.
No, but me know, so you never learn for
She
tile.
was
Hold
a
on.
dressmaker.
Me know you never learn for tile at school. At school, you
No,
never learn for tile.
no,
you never
no,
learn
no.
for box and cast, you know, when people are below us at school.
No, man, whosoever around me watch them of them do.
Okay.
I adapt it, you know.
Oh, right.
I'm a born cold too, you know.
And you can make cool skill too?
Yes.
Oh.
If you see me go bush, go chop wood and pack coal skill, you can't believe, brother. Hand it down and pick up me coal.
Right. No, but just listening to somebody like you.
I'm a plant me little garden too, you know, brother, me banana them, and me cut banana 5 hand. Plant all this year for this year Christmas, you know, raga, me have all my little sorrel, me not have to buy none.
Nice.
Yeah, me gungo, me go pick me little gungo, you know.
But you see, we have to big you up, you know, because they are listen to you and thing, and we have to commend you because you have one woman up there, she named Navlet. Big woman, you know, Jamaican woman, and what day she called me and asked me like, for scrambled egg. You tell me, what you think about she, right?
Bafan.
She Bafan?
Mm.
Yeah, so she up here for it, big New York, Navlet, the up here, and she can't scramble egg. I call me, who am me and a big cook. I ask me how to scramble egg and look how much something you can do.
Call scramble egg easy, little something.
Easy something to do and whatever and thing. You call me, a big woman I call me about how to scramble egg and thing. And look how much something you do. Look how much something you do, multi-talented. You deserve
you know,
your
some
name.
used to, the first work me used to do a bar work. And when I left bar work, me go do deer care. After me do deer care, me left and me save me little money and start
Hold
going
on, what age you do? What you said, deer care?
Yeah, look after small babies.
But what you call it?
Deer care.
Deer care. We work with that. Deer care. All right, so okay.
After me left that, now me start save my little money and start going nursing school.
Oh, okay.
I'm a graduate from nursing school. I get level 3. I'm a practical nursing.
Right.
But it's not pretty, you know, easy at all.
Right, rough at Jamaica, man.
Yeah, man. I'm happy.
Rough at Jamaica.
Africa kind of build back, you know, and
see.
no luck with man neither, and raga.
Why on a Jamaican woman say, why on always say that?
I'll tell you why. For me now, it's a kind of jealousy, family jealousy and friend jealousy, why me can't really keep one person for a period of time, because I don't know how they're jealous over me, so with everything me do.
Hold on, are you saying, you say you don't have no luck with man, and you said the reason why you don't have no luck with man, you seem to be saying
family,
that every time you have a good man and thing, your family them jealous over your good man, and them always mash it
Yes.
up. Okay.
Some of my family, them and friend too.
Oh, because you did say your sister take away one of your man, though.
I'm one she take away. So me kind of build back, you know,
Oh, yes,
all the one when it call in, when me call in down in the daily up and sitting.
Yeah.
All in my gears, you know, there, you know.
Him not there, what you in gone to?
Not there, man. Him not there. Him just that fake the thing, you know.
Oh, but multi-talented, me know why you feel that way, you know, but me, one of my job is to ask a difficult question, you know. So what I say is...
Me know that.
All right, so what I say is, when I hear you basically, I say, you couldn't keep a man. And you basically, I say, because your family them and friend them make you can't keep a man. So what me
The
I say?
mouth too light, man. Them chop too much and fast.
but what if it's something about you make you can't keep him on them?
I don't know. Everybody a fall still, but I don't know. I don't do nobody nothing. Me just loving and kind.
You can't think of anything because you say you're sexy and you're attractive and you're good looking and you say your body coming like Miss Kitty body and whatever. So I don't looks.
I mean, I'm a nice little apartment with every little settings and so when you come, you're comfortable and everything.
So why you can't keep a man?
Because I don't find the right one yet. All of them come and yam me out, Raga. Buy all car, give them and all kind of shit. They want yam me out. And when they get on them,
hold on. What you say you buy all car, give man, and them what?
Yam me out.
Well, which yam out you attack?
About my food and my money and beg and
Oh,
bar
your food
and
and the one day you attack. Okay. So what
and
you
go
say?
all in my handbag and all and sitting there.
And thief, you go in your handbag and sitting and all them. So,
Can't trust people no, man. Then dishonest.
so most, so the man, them when you there on them all come and want to take a thing off of you and broke your foot and thing, don't?
Yeah. Want me I want already a thief one of my phone.
Jesus
The
God.
phone and me that tell us a thief me find out say I him a thief my phone.
When you couldn't call, when you never called for a long time and you said then thief your phone and thing,
Yes.
I want man when you there with thief your phone?
Thief my phone rather me find out.
Jesus God. No. You have to go careful. But yeah, let me tell you something to do. The man them where you end up where you there with and thing and them are going. So you choose them do, you know.
You know that.
So
but you see a man face you can't see art.
me know, but if you choose so many of them and thing and the whole of them bad and whatever, probably you need for.
I know all of them bad still. Me nah bias. I know all of them
But
bad.
most of them bad then.
Bun, some of them give bun and breed for me and all something. Man.
When they say breed by you, them
Can't
breed
take-
them breed other woman. Them breed other woman.
Right.
Yeah, you have to say that. Remember, say we have only for people up here listening who don't understand Jamaica talk. So you can't say the man them go breed by you, you know, cause
Nah, sleep out.
yeah, they sleep out. Okay.
Can't satisfy.
Can't satisfy
Now,
you.
maybe true, me nah give them enough. Cause me man no love it well if enough, you know.
Oh, so you don't really love the whole passat out. You don't really love the whole passat out.
Right. And maybe them love it well if so them have to cheat.
Oh, okay.
When man cheat, you know, you have to be careful because they be carrying all kind of something to you.
Well, look like me and you could have lived because me no love enough sort out either. No, me serious. Me no love enough sort out. I'll let you know, me no love enough sort out. But so me and you could have lived, man.
So sometimes we there for all 1, 2 or 3 months. I mean, you know, but a frown spending something. People ask me how me do it, but men ask me how me do it. But I just survive, you know.
Yeah, well, but people.
Sometimes it's rather to be lonely than to live a dirty life, not true?
Sure. Tell them, yeah, man. Rather to be lonely than to live a listen to me, I have a whole heap of people out there, months and months pass and them don't get any sort out. That is quite normal. Don't make nobody make you feel like there's something wrong with you. Hear? Don't make nobody make you feel like there's something wrong with you. Enough people out there, whole heap of months pass and them don't get any. Nothing
and also sometimes I do look here too. Cause last time I out in the street like there, I mash works, you know. Out of my gate, you know, I mash works, you know.
What you mean? Last night you out under the street light out of your gate and mash works?
Yeah, man, I do one here.
Oh, you do a year out there, yeah, do year. Cause you do year too, right? Cause you're hairdresser, dressmaker, tiler, mason, carpenter, nurse, and thing. You know,
Nurse aid,
practical nurse. Okay, good. No,
like look after all people, beat them up and clip their nails, comb their hair, give them their insulin and test their pressure and so.
Okay. Well, you always do something and thing. I use your work and all these things, you know?
Yeah, man. Sometimes I'm tired, man. I'm tired sometimes when I done me all over my garden, weed up some grass and I just want one good somebody around me for me and the person just.
Okay. Well, you need a man to be happy?
No, not directly.
Not directly, Auntie. Okay.
Not directly, because I'm an independent woman.
Right. So you just want a little companion then. It sounds like we are saying a nice little
You know, when you're there, when you're at home alone, sometimes you need somebody to assist you. So, you know, you're going down in age, you know, so and you live alone, so anything can happen.
No,
so.
well, just a company. You just need a little company. I know what you mean. You know, whatever you want, a little company, some good company around you.
Right now, I look for somebody who can sew good.
You look for a man who can sew good?
No, I look somebody, whether a man or a woman, who can sew good.
Why?
I buy a machine. I bought a machine the other day for 29,000 cash.
Uh-huh.
And little sewing is going on, so I would need another.
Also, you want to employ somebody then, right? You want to employ.
To drop in, so who can sew, like pillowcase.
Pillowcase and them look at something there. Look at shorts and them look at thing, the pillowcase.
Yeah, right.
What they call it something there where them put on the dress up? No, not like that.
Runner, me do those too. Me do the runner them too.
The runner, but that's a crochet.
Yeah. I'm do the other one where you sew with the lace and put the frill around it.
With the frilly something them. Okay.
Yeah, right.
But you should have broke, you know. You should have broke, you know, the way you can.
No, Raga. Me no hungry, no man. Yeah. I tell no lie, I'm not hungry.
Right. You have your money.
And I have a nice son who, boy, when he drive up in van, come look for me and carry my food and everything.
Nice.
Yeah. Give God thanks, you know.
All right. No, Multitalented, you deserve your name, man.
Yes, you know, call you sometime, you know, but me busy, you know.
Wait, go, man, you're still the boat and thing and everything, you know, Chris and Corey see me, man. Because we know you're not left out the thing.
And me, I get a fight. Me get no fight, you know, Raga.
From who?
From family too, you know. Me build a house and a robbery for me, and I have to build another one.
Jeez and peace. You build a house and the family and take away the house from you?
Yeah, man, Billy for my mother house, man. Right now, I'll rata and roach up there.
Oh, boy. Boy, you have got through it.
And then one of my sister come clean up and sitting, but me left them to the Almighty, yeah, sir.
Are the one we always take your man, them?
Them bitch there.
Oh. Are your sister, them, you call them bitch there?
Some of them are bitches, yes.
Okay. How many sisters you have?
Mother have 9 away, but I have 5 sisters away.
Oh, 9 now.
7 away alive, you know.
7 alive now, and the 5 sisters them alive, right?
No, man. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sisters. One live right side of you there, you know.
Right side of me?
Right, not for your ear there.
Where?
Yeah, one of the bitch live there.
Up where?
Right up New York.
Oh, up there. Okay, yeah. So one of your sisters. So many sisters?
One of Canada there.
So you have one of Canada and one down here in New York, and then where they are?
Just let me tell you something. I'm lucky for them, because you see, when you have your family and you take care of them and you remember where they come from?
Yeah.
God sit high and look low, you know?
Okay.
When I time, I'm here in the backbone for all of them, because things is low.
But it look like you get the, as I said, the SHITTY head of the stick for everything, man. How come
all right.
So how come
yeah, man, and enough things me can tell you, you know, family all set up people for rob me, almost kill me one at a time, you know.
No, but what I'm saying is, from what you are saying, is that like the whole world against you, the whole of your family them against you, them pick by you, like you are the good one and the rest of them are the bad one.
You know, so them bad, you know, but now them dirty ways, them act it out.
Okay.
But who them can act it out, you know, sometimes they take your kindness for weakness.
Yeah. All right, we run out of time, you know, we are.
I want next time I call you back. Big up the family members, them. Too cute and niceness and everybody, you know.
All right, then it goes some man. Blessings, man.
And give the Almighty thanks every time.
All right, every time. Blessings.
Yeah, and if me no call you back before holiday, I hope you have a happy Christmas.
See it there.
Me have all 2 cakes to go bake too, you know. Me have a little something them rub up and something, man.
So you be a car chef to big up yourself.
Me do every little thing, man. And me have the curry up, me have a little meat cut up, season up and put in our fridge and soak and, all right. Big up
Let's say
yourself,
all right. Yeah,
brother.
man. Blessings, man. Cool. Well, we here for Multitalented, dear Prezi. You see that? What you see, Prezi? What you need to do is like to expand your skill set so that you have multiple sources of income coming in, right? Prezi, if you want me get the link for you to talk to Multitalented enough to kind of learn the game plan. Just say the word, you know, Prezi. Just say the word. We have a link. And Multitalented, no mean or nothing. She will look out for you. Next thing you know, she send you a ticket, you'll fly down and just go on. All mother say, Prezi, treat her good. Because you swear she got through with man. So if you go down, go look for Multitalented, treat her good. Just don't make hot and spicy, no, say you go down there, all right? And make sure so she get her look a fix up, and all these things and whatever. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, people, it should start out slow today, but it kind of pick up in the last half and thing. Big up on it, say people, honestly, you know, so me I go write, me I go edit that show, you know, I cut out no fight and put it up. But at the same time, I just work until me I go pull an all-night on Thursday night, you know, for give you a paper by 10 o'clock in the morning, to have an email, and then I go sleep about 2.5 hours, wake up for the free up Friday. That's the plan, trust me. So I go work straight until about 10 o'clock Friday morning, because I got some works to do. Anyway, big up on the cell people, safety and protection and all these things, all right? Love and blessings. Soon Wednesday, 10 o'clock, same place, you have some mad thing done. Out the road.